raspberry white chocolate mocha protein frap. Babe, let's do it. I'm gonna use a vanilla protein shake. You're gonna do 2 to 3 pumps of white chocolate mocha skinny syrup. I love this stuff. It kind of just depends on how sweet you want it. I'm gonna do 3 because I like it sweet, like me. Kidding. But not really, I'm sweet, right? Some raspberry skinny syrup. I'm about out of this, love this too. 2 to 3 pumps if you got a pump. I'm gonna do a couple to 3 splashes, whatever. Cup of gas station ice. Now this step is optional, but I want a little coffee flavor in here, so I'm gonna add just like a little splash of some concentrated coffee to that. You can add some just regular coffee, whatever you would add, babe, or leave it out. Totally up to you. Mixy mix, babes. Ready Whip to make it a party, obviously. Gorgeous. One for good measure, always. There, we got it. Adorn it with a beautiful gold straw, of course. All right, taste test. Ooh, yeah. No.